Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, my brother Gary is going to show us how easy it is to change a headlight on a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. I'm Jerry.
I'm Gary.
And we're
living the Newcomb life.
We're going to replace the passenger side headlight on our 2015 Hyundai Elantra. We're going to take care of that real quick. First thing we need to do is we need to pop the hood. The lever is right here. You just take it from the bottom and pull it up. Okay, there's a little release lever right under here. You just need to find it with your hand and you need to pull up on that, lift the whole thing up, set it right there. Okay, so the tools for this project, all we need is a Phillips head screwdriver. We need a 10 millimeter and a 12 millimeter socket, and we need the replacement bulb itself. I just want to point out here that there are actually two bulbs, so it all depends on your car, but mine takes the H11. This is for the Silver Star Sylvania, but they also have a model it's 9005. The change is that the connectors are different. In this one, the connectors are closer, and the other one, the connectors are farther apart. So you just need to make sure that you get the right one. So basically it's a three-step process. The first step is we're going to remove these 5 screws here, and that's basically just to give us enough room so that we can actually pull this back to allow us to pull the housing off here. The second step is we're going to remove the electrical connector from the back, and then the last step is we just remove these bolts, 10 millimeter here, 12 millimeter back there. I just want to break in here real quick. You can see on the passenger side there actually is quite a bit of room, and you can replace the headlight bulb without really having to remove anything, but it definitely makes it a lot easier to do that. And the reason why we wanted to make this video is because you can see on the driver's side there isn't any room here, so you do need to remove this. It's the same process for both sides. Step 2 is we're going to go ahead and do that electrical connection in the back here. Third step, easy. We're just going to take our 10 millimeter bolt. We're going to loosen these up here. We're going to take our 12 millimeter socket and we're going to get the last bolt out here. Okay, so now that we've got this, we've got some flex in it here with these screws off. We've got our 2 10 millimeter bolts off here, 12 millimeter bolt off here, and we've got our electrical connector removed. Now, there's 3 points on the actual headlight housing, so you just need to take a firm grip and just pull it forward. So now that it's off, we just need to bring it past here and pull the whole thing out. There's 3 bulbs in this housing. One is the one that we're going to replace. That's this one here, the headlight. We have the high beam, which is here on the front part. And we have the side marker light, which is back up here. So all it takes is you just have to grab this piece here, pull it back, remove that piece. Okay, this next piece, we are actually going to remove the bulb. You do that by twisting it to the right until it actually comes loose here. And there's our bulb. This has a small connector here. Just pinch those and pull that out. We have our new bulb here. We're going to go ahead and just reverse this whole process and we're going to get everything reinstalled. Okay, remember you need to position this. See how it's got 2 small clips and 1 large clip here? You need to position it to reset it inside of there so it actually goes in. And you can see here's the big one and the 2 small ones. So we're just going to line that back up and we're going to tighten it by moving it to the right. Okay, the bulb has been replaced. We're going to put our watertight cover. This one has 4 points on it that you need to line back up. All of them are the same size, so you just align it and twist till it's tight. Okay, now we're just going to put the housing back on. Okay, so we're just trying to line up 3 points on the housing to get it mounted correctly back on the car. So here's one, here's the second one, and the third one is this point here. So we're trying to line it up to here, here, and there. So we're just gonna set this over here. This is where you need to kind of pry this back a little bit. Okay, when you get those lined up, it just seats right back into place. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put our bolts back on. 12 millimeter goes in the back here. 10 millimeter here. And here. Okay, the next step is to plug the electrical back in. All right, and the last step is to go ahead and get these clips back in. That's it, project done. Let's go ahead and test that bulb, make sure that it works. All right, so that's it. A quick, easy little project just for the headlight. There's literally very few tools that you need for this. Anything else?
It really only took maybe 15 minutes total max.
Right.
So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
All right, we calling it?
Yep, that's it.
Yeah!